Hey folks, and welcome to the latest video in the Rhapsody Power Pack series. I'm Andy Lapping, and in this video I'll show you the next helper designed to help you perform trade studies in Rhapsody, the Weighted Objectives Editor. Now, fully describing how to perform a trade study would take a bit more time than we have in these small videos, but included with the Power Pack is a detailed guide. Now, that process starts by defining weighted objectives for the study. The Power Pack provides a special diagram to help with that. I'll create one using this drawing toolbar. Let's call that material. So maybe part of our trade study involves selecting a particular material for a component. So imagine it's some kind of seat. Next, we decide on the MOEs, or measures of effectiveness. That is, the characteristics by which we will judge one possible material against another. Now, of course, I could add MOEs manually, but instead I'll open the editor for them, which is the focus for this video, using Power Pack Edit MOEs. Now I can create a new MOE with a single click, and then I can rename it directly in the table. Let's say one of the parameters we care about is how much it costs. Let's add another one. How comfortable is it to sit on? And let's add one more. Now, our material might be wood, metal, plastic, and so on, and we might care about how heavy that material is. Now, when we perform a trade study, we have to assign each MOE a weight, and the sum of all of those weights should equal 1. Now, that forces stakeholders to really think about how important each criterion is relative to the others. We can't just say, hey, they're all important. Now, we enter those weights directly in the table. For example, let's give cost a weight of 0.7. It's pretty important to us. And that only leaves 0.3 to distribute amongst the remaining MOEs. Now, the editor indicates when our weights do not total 1, and also provides a function to spread any leftover weight across any empty MOEs. Let's do that now. Now, as usual in the Power Pack dialogues, we can always navigate back to Rhapsody. So I can, for example, right-click the Comfort MOE and select Locate in Browser. And there we can see the MOE, which is a special kind of value property, and also the weight, which is a tag on that MOE. Well, that's it for this video. In the next one, we'll see how to describe alternatives for our weighted objectives. So please do subscribe if you want to be notified as new videos get published. But for now, thanks for watching.